Hi, ako pala si RG, si Stephen to. We'll be talking about pogi problems.
Happy Valentine's? Ay, sorry, hindi sabihin.
Yuck. Yuck. Yuck.
Kala ko naman kung ano.
While doing the script and research for this episode, kaya ako spinidran yung opening, we have some choice questions sent to us that really stick out like
Sorta.
like a thumbtack sa puwet ng school pants mo.
Grabe.
If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't.
Yeah.
Bakit kanyo? Kasi 3 questions have a common thread. Parang messenger thread lang.
Okay.
Because it's asking about if they are boyfriend material.
Ay, parang natatakot ako dito sa episode na to. Do Valentine's to, hindi Halloween. Pero bakit ako natatakot? Feeling ko may mababasa kami dito ng mga overconfident, feeling guwapo.
Not to mention, dahil ang whole working mantra ng Snap is giving unqualified advice from unqualified people.
Yeah.
Talagang matakot kayo. Yung mga nagpadala nito.
Ngayon.
Matakot na kayo. You gave it to unqualified people. Kaya, we shall check their questions sinabit. Pero disclaimer lang po, baka sa sobrang confident ninyo, i-trash talk namin kayo ha. So take our advice with a malitong figure na to eh. With a metric ton of salt.
Hindi kilo.
Kilo, hindi kilo.
Hindi rin grain. Metric
Ton. Kasi baka masaktan yung egos nyo.
Ay,
Anyway.
naka. Anyway.
Let us call our representative from
DTI, galing sa simbahan.
Oo. Di pa rin siya nagpapalit ng shirt.
Uniform nila yun.
Uy!
Uy, I have 2 balls.
Hindi. May gold tip! Muna tayo today.
Ha?
Upo.
Paki-verify.
Wait. Sabi, may request kasi siya si Mr. DTI last time. Diba? Oo.
Showdown.
Showdown. Pakibukas ang kotse. Check my
Pasok
expiry.
na. Ayan. Okay. Blue!
Blue ulit. Tapos blue ulit. Okay, enough of that. Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Taylor, taga-ikot.
Verify muna natin. Taga-DTI ka ba talaga?
Oo.
Pakita ID sa camera.
Taylor, taga-issue. Amoy taga-DTI nga.
DTI. Ano? Which means?
Taylor, taga-ihi.
Hindi kaya patawag tayo DTI.
Kainin mo to.
Okay, thank you, Dalo. O hindi po siya talaga taga-DTI para doon sa mga tanga-tanga na maniniwala talaga na taga-DTI ito. Sandali lang hindi siya talaga taga-DTI. Ano lang yun? O, hindi rin siya taga-PCS.
Or taga-DNR.
Wag tanga-tanga ha. Gusto ko gamitin ang utak, Pinoy.
Reading comprehension.
Masakit ulo ko pag may nagko-comment. Ay, taga-dyan mo talaga siya. Excuse me, hindi. Mag-isip ka naman. Gusto ko, tanga-tanga talaga minsan.
Okay.
Gusto ko, explain ko talaga, no? Para linawan lang yung mga viewers.
Wag na natin sila patulan.
Kaya may init yung ulo ko eh.
Okay.
Tapos may gagatong pa na mga...
Oo na!
Happy Valentine's sa mga may date.
I hate you!
Bakit yung I love you ko parang hindi Noli De Castro? Parang yung sa jeep. I love you!
I love you!
Tama na. Ang sakit na ng bato ko.
From Gemini. Wala akong pake sa zodiac sign mo.
Gemini.
Hi guys! Sure ka?
Hello! Sino to?
Sure ka?
Telepono eh.
I happen to come across your video about breaking the broken.
Oy, buti naman.
Buti naman.
Salamat sa
Sana natuto ka. So I want to give a shot on sending you my own question. I hope it gets answered. Welcome to the club. It just got answered. Anyway, to give you a background, I studied in an all-boys school.
Okay.
We know where this is going. We're kind of rich, but not filthy rich naman. Okay, that didn't need to know that, sure. But besides my looks and charm,
Nako.
by the way, for the girls watching, I'm 28, 5'9", lean but muscular, fair skin tone, and exes tell me that
Ano yung binabasa mo? Ano yung binabasa mo?
mga non-existent details na hindi nila kailangan basahin.
Hindi, ba't sabi for all the girls out there? Ano yun? Telephone number?
Oh, hindi kaya ako nga spinidran eh. Pakibasa na lang yung nasa ilalim. Ayoko na basahin. Wink wink daw. As I was saying, apart from my looks and charm, they say they like my voice the way it is because it's cute and girls fall for it instantly. So my question is, what improvements can I give myself so I can be the girl's
Kayo
choice?
bang host?
Okay. Unang-una, ayoko ayusin eh kasi nababaduy. What improvements can I give myself more? I can give myself more so I can be the girl's choice. Kumain ka ng ladies' choice.
Describe niya yung sarili niya, kung ano siya. For the girls watching out there. 28 daw siya. Ang height daw niya, 5'9". Lean but muscular. Parang ayaw ko na ibasahin.
Kaya ako spinidran eh. Ba't ang curious mo pa eh?
Fair skin tone.
Sabi daw ni DT, kailangan ka daw katayin.
Wag yun.
High grade marbling.
And my exes tell me that I look like a certain... I
Okay,
don't care.
masyadong confident na.
I don't care. Saan yung tanong?
How can I improve myself so I can be a girl's choice?
Improve yourself? Tignan mo nga itsura namin.
Oo nga.
Nagreklamo ba kami?
Kaya which brings me back to my point. Gusto mo maging girl's choice, kumain ka ng ladies' choice. Oo.
Ay, nako. Okay ka na. Huwag ka na
Oo.
magkailala.
Hindi, siya i-sponsor nyo.
Maobliga tuloy yung ladies' choice sponsor kami.
Oo.
Dahil nabanggit na rin sila.
Oo. Pero si ladies' choice, dahil 5'8", looking muscular, and chinito, whatever, siya na lang i-sponsoran nyo. Baka naghanap kayo ng model, ha?
Sinong nagbigay?
Si Talay.
Talay?
Sorry, punit na po. Anyway,
Talay?
Palay. Gold tip.
Ay, kilala ko to.
Sino?
Talay! Hoy, Talay! You sending us question, ha? You translate this? Talay, ha?
At mo na lang yung naging content.
You translate pa, ha?
Hello mga kapatid, I want to ask a question. Sabi ng mga parents,
Ano daw? Hello? Mga
kapatid,
kapatid, ano to? Dating daan.
may tuhod po ba ang Diyos?
May tuhod po ba yung Diyos? Wala.
So that's why bakit ako nag-English sa'yo? Kaya ako sinasabi, translated to.
Oh.
Kasi totoo niyan, hi P. Older na. Kaya naging kapatid, feeling ko.
May tuhod po ba ang Diyos?
So, asensya na kayo. Translated yung tanong. Kilala ko mo yung nagtatanong.
Okay, I wanted to ask. Sabi ng parents ko, artistahin ako. Let's not judge dahil kilala niya. My friend
Aren't you one? Aren't you one?
Siya na po humuhusga, hindi na ako.
Sorry. Sorry, my friend.
My friends also agree that I have what it takes to be in front of the camera, but I'm afraid.
Aren't you already?
Ano ba?
Binuko na yung identity na. Di bali, wala na. Di naman malalaman ng mga viewers natin kung nasan yan.
If I may. But I'm afraid that being famous won't get me into a relationship because of contractual obligations. What is your advice for me? In doing anything. Mwah.
Amo, ha? Well, siguro. Ayoko magbigay ng advice. Kaibigan, kilala ko yun. Ikaw na lang.
Well, as someone who knows someone na who's in a relationship with a celebrity, just find another celebrity.
Oh, yung English, ha?
Oo. Sorry, English.
To understanding.
Okay, in my flat neutral accent. So, for you to succeed as an artist with a relationship, I suggest you find another artist to be in your relationship with. Because it will be far easier to date someone in the industry than it is to date someone outside the industry.
But he said he has contractual obligations.
Then that's
How
why
is that possible?
then find gray areas in your contractual obligations. Or, you can just follow the Korean method, like, do it in secret, wear a mask, wear some eyeglasses.
Hindi ba parang yung
Nagtatagalog ka eh, nag-English ako eh.
ano ba? Magmamask, parang magtatago. Ganun.
Kasi yung kulang na lang ganito yung mukha niya eh. O yung ganun karami.
Ayaw nyo ng yung screenshot. You miss my body.
I'll touch myself na lang.
Tapos screenshot nyo na, no? Joke. Okay, so, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kapun Kap.
So, adi ka?
You.
Ay, we revealed the nationality.
Oh, you chat me next time when you send question, ha? Tali. Though that is not your real name.
Ha!
Nag-code name pa. Ang bira.
From JC. Sana hindi to yung JC na friend ko sa Facebook, ha?
Wala. Yung mga kaibigan natin nagsisend na ng tanong.
Sana, please lang wag, ah. Hi there, bros. I think it...
Hi, bro.
What's up? Gang, gang, gang. I think it would be cool, pare, to be cool to send you a question so you could make tulong me.
Okay, bro.
So, ito na, it goes. I've recently entered modeling cause I have the tangkad and the build and everything to be one.
Really, bro?
Oh! Thank you, DTA. The tangkad. I have the tangkad daw.
Hindi DTI nagbigay ng DepEd. Kasi edukasyon dyan.
LTM, MTA, RCB. However, the gigs I get most of the time is for brief. Underwear daw.
Okay, naghango ko dun. Huh? Okay.
When I had the first print of the ad, pare, I had an of the underwear ad, ha. My girlfriend broke up with me because she felt that many girls and guys might now come for my attention.
Okay.
In short, she didn't feel secured with our relationship. It's been months now, pare. Talagang insulting talaga, no? Since I've been single and I want someone to cuddle, cute, to cuddle... Huh?
Ano?
To cuddle, cute, to cuddle with... Huh?
I like someone cute to cuddle
Cuddle
with.
Talagang to bagsak sa IELTS state. with this Valentine's, but also keep this, alam mo, ayoko na basahin in that accent. And also keep this job because besides it pays good, I can also show I can also show my good looks. How can I balance my work and love life in this situation? Peace, bros.
Okay, bro.
Ay,
Tumigas yung utak ko dun.
Godspeed. And live long and live long and prosper, Godspeed. Yun lang advice po namin. So that's it for our episode today.
RG. Dali. Bakit naman ganun? Wala value tayo. Magbigay naman tayo ng sayo. Thanks for watching. How can I balance work and my love life in this situation? Well, wag ka muna jowa.
Yeah, kasi
Diba?
as with si Talay, baka may contractual obligations siya.
Ito na kayo sinasabi ni
Wink,
Talay.
wink!
Ito na kayo sinasabi nung nagtanong kanina na tingin ko ito yung mga sabit, kumbaga. So, sige, mag-single ka muna. Work muna. Bago twerk.
Twerk. Okay. Malay mo yung work niya. Twerk.
Hindi. Model nga daw ng underwear.
Malay mo, sideline. Anyway, that's it for this episode.
Basta, huwag ka muna mag-jowa.
Okay na. Kaya anyway, seryoso na. So anyway, ito nga
Tapos
pala ang
maghahanap
episode
ka ng
namin na to.
cuddle
I've been
na cute. Tapos,
si
gusto mo,
Steven.
umabot pa sa
Kaya,
Valentine's.
thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye!
Huwag ka muna mag-jowa